This Coldwell Banker Pacesetter Steel Realtors property video is presented by Janice Cruz. Absolutely amazing home, on a large lot. This home is in the Oakridge area of Gregory Portland Tx, has 4 bedrooms plus an office. Tons of windows to view the beauty of the front yard landscape, updated kitchen with open floor plan, stand-up shower in the master and guest bath. 6-burner gas range, farmhouse style sink, and it does not stop there. Must see the gorgeous backyard and your outdoor covered/open patio, plus a garage that sits in the back of the house with an extended drive. What else can you ask for? Call your realtor today. For more information, review the details below or contact Janice Cruz at 361-229-0535.